Welcome, today I am with Realme C11 2021 and we are going to check if this smartphone from the European distribution comes with factory installed screen protection on the display. So let's take a look on the screen, and as you can see, when you take a look right here, we can spot a very thin foil. It's just right here, it comes from the edge to the bottom edges. So yeah, we can find here protection on the display as default, and of course it's protect the phone, the display of the phone from scratches. But if you want to get better protection, you can install something like this kind of the tempered glass. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.